To place a SketchUp model into LayOut, go to the File menu and choose Insert. Now find your model and open it. The great thing about viewing SketchUp models in LayOut is that you have a full 3D view into the model and can build complex documents with infinite views of your model, all created with only one SketchUp model. Once your model is inside LayOut, you can navigate within the model by using the Select tool to double-click on the model, and then using a 3-button mouse to navigate just like you do in SketchUp. Roll the middle wheel to zoom, press and hold the scroll wheel to orbit, and press the wheel down combined with the left mouse button to pan. If you don't have a scroll wheel on your mouse, you can still orbit by default and hold the Shift key down while orbiting to pan. Context-click inside the window to access the other navigation tools, including Zoom and the Walk tool. Click outside the window to freeze the model in that position. You can quickly create multiple views of your model by copying it around the screen. Simply hold down the Control or Option key on a Mac to make copies as you move around. Now, you can easily adjust the view per each window. Another way to create views of the model is through the SketchUp dialog box. Open this through the Windows menu and make sure the View tab is active. Now, select one of the SketchUp views and pick a specific view for it. Turn perspective off to create orthographic elevation and plan views. Here's a quick tip for creating plan views. Often the model is still shown at an angle when you first select the top view. To straighten it, select one of the elevation views and then the top view again. In fact, this is useful to know, as depending on which side view you choose, when you choose the top view, you can adjust how the view is oriented. One of the things that LayOut handles much better than SketchUp is the ability to print to scale. After creating one or more orthogonal views, as we've done here, you simply select a view and pick a scale from the flyout menu, including creating your own custom scale if needed. Because you are working on a presentation with a real paper size, you know exactly how big the view will be on your page. Let's look at some of the other options available through the SketchUp dialog box. You can apply styles directly to views of your model, including styles that you've created and saved with the model. You can also change the line weight of the SketchUp model, allowing you to create even thinner line weights for viewing your model than what are available in SketchUp itself. Shadows and fog can be applied and controlled directly in LayOut to each view of your model. If you prefer, you can also access many of these options through a right or context-click menu, including the option to open the original SketchUp model, which brings up your final tip. Remember, these views are effectively windows into your SketchUp model. If you make changes to the model, simply save those changes to update each view in LayOut.